What is that? When the boys first meet. It's Duke and Tiger. It's Duke's first time in the house. So far the reaction is pretty good. Tiger, go see. Go see. That's Duke. Tiger's scared of him. Oh my god. Duke is so much smaller than him. Tiger's scared of him. Oh, good boy, Tiger.